In the last session, we discussed about polyethylene. Now we are going for another important plastic which has wide application in daily life. It is PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and Teflon. Yeah, PVC. It's polyvinyl chloride, or we call it as vinyl plastic. It's an economically most widely useful material and a versatile thermoplastic. So what's thermoplastic? Which we melt at some particular temperature. Polyethylene is also a thermoplastics. It's widely used in building, construction materials, pipelines, cable insulation, etc. So we are going to discuss PVC and Teflon. In PVC, vinyl chloride is a monomer. So many vinyl chloride monomers combine to form a polyvinyl chloride by addition polymerization. There is no elimination of anything. Just an addition polymerization here takes place through a free radical mechanism. So a simple reaction with this, what's the properties? So electrical properties. So it's a very good insulating material. So wires and electrical insulation tapes materials are made by this PVC. So durability is very high. So resistance to weathering and chemicals, corrosions, shocks, abrasions. So in outdoor products, in our household, we use PVC pipes for water transport, drainage systems, etc. Flame retardancy, yeah, that's a very important property for this. Because of the high chlorine content here, what happens that PVC products have self extinguishers. They're self fire extinguishers. Oxidation rate is less than 45, so it won't easily catches fire. Yes, that's why the wiring materials are made by this with the quality PVC materials. Cost and performance ratio. Yeah, cost is less cost to manufacture this. And performance ratio, the lifespan of this material is very high. Mechanical properties, good abrasive resistance and less weight and set of material. Chemical resistance, a very good chemical resistance for inorganic chemicals into all ranges. Dilute, acid, alkalis, aliphatic, hydrocarbons can be stored in this. Flexible property is also an important property which we use flexible PVC pipes as shown in the figure. What are the disadvantages or limitations of polyvinyl chloride? Poor heat susceptibility or stability. So at a particular high temperature, more than 200 degrees Celsius, definitely melts. So flexible PVC have a low chemical resistance. Only the tough PVC materials are used to store the things. But flexible materials or PVC materials are low chemical resistance. And also rigid PVC has a low continuous service temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. There are several uses in construction material, domestic, packages, wires, cables, in automobiles and medical field, toys, clothing like this. It has a wide application. So we are seeing the figure regarding this. So PVC. So there are two types of PVCs. One is rigid PVC and flexible PVC. As we saw now, their applications have been tabulated. They're used in construction, domestic, package, transport, medical, clothing, electrical, and others. For construction, rigid PVC is used in window frames, pipes, flexible PVC for waterproof membranes, cable, roof lining, domestic, yeah, flexible is flooring, coating, etc. So like this packages, thin films, bottles, have been listed. So go through this slide carefully and please try to learn what are its applications. So next we go for Teflon. So Teflon is a very important material we are using nowadays. As I said in the first class, it's highly heat resistant. It can withstand very high temperature. That's why it is used in coating the cooking utensils. So what's Teflon? It is polytetrafluoroethylene. It's a plastic. It is happened due to polymerization of tetrafluoroethylene. The tetrafluoroethylene is a monomer. Then the tetrafluoroethylene monomers combines to form polytetrafluoroethylene. So reaction. The reaction involves two parts. One is the preparation of a monomer, that is tetrafluoroethylene, and another one is the monomer get polymerized into Teflon. How the monomer has been prepared? You take a chloroform. Chloroform has been treated with the hydrofluoric acid HF with antimony trifluoride. It converts into a material. Then it is again treated with 800 degrees Celsius. So hydrochloric acid has been removed from that. We'll get tetrafluoroethylene, CF2 double bond CF2. It's appear like a plastic. So we take a polymerization process in this, that is addition polymerization. The tetrafluoroethylene has been converted into polytetrafluoroethylene. We call it as Teflon. So what are the uses of Teflon or properties? Chemically very inert, not affected by strong acids. Even the boiling aqua regia will not affect this material. It's an aqua regia. Aqua regia is a combination of nitric acid and hydrochloric acid at 1:3 ratio to dissolve the gold, platinum, etc. So that even that those acids cannot be affected by this. So stable at very high temperature. Yeah, it's a thermoplastic polymer but appears solid at a very high temperature. Even at 600 Kelvin, it won't melt. That's why these are used in cooking utensils. They have a high mechanical property. It consists of fluorine, so it undergoes continuous bonding, make it very tough. High reactive materials cannot be corroded here. So what is the application? It's used in non-sticky frying pans as a coating. In sports, medical applications, thin film as an adhesive backing. High friction of footwears, medical synthesis, and wide applications are there. So thank you. We discuss other things in next class.